If you're looking for the best SMM panel in 2026, you've probably seen dozens of options. Today, we're covering 3 of the top SMM panels and comparing to see which one really delivers. We'll evaluate pricing, speed, features, and overall value. And just so you're aware, folks, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Results may vary depending on the selected service, and always make sure that you combine paid promotions with organic growth strategies for optimum results. Alright folks, so the 3 SMM panels that we will be reviewing today are smmgo.io, godsmm.com, and smmwiz.com. Let's start with the interface and the ease of use. SMM Go, in my opinion, has a very clean layout. It's ergonomic, fast and easy to understand, very good for beginners. Beyond that, I was overly impressed with the fast loading and how quickly the subscribers and the engagement actually came through after purchase. God SMM has a slightly more advanced interface and a bit more complicated to understand, not super good for beginners. SMM Wiz has a large surface interface, has a large service list, but it can actually feel quite overwhelming too. Now when it comes to price, SMM Go has a real strong balance between pricing and actual consistency. And they have actually been my personal go-to recently for my social media engagement for my business. God SMM has some slightly higher pricing on some of their related services. When it comes to SMM Wiz, they actually have some pretty nice competitive pricing. But unfortunately, sometimes after testing, the quality can vary if you're not too careful with the service that you go for. Now, what about the delivery of service? Starting with SMM Go, they have the most consistent start times and actually have the most consistent delivery. God SMM are actually quite reliable in this area, but sometimes come with a bit of a slower start to get things going. As for SMM Wiz, it really does depend on the service that you select. It can be okay, can be a bit slower, or it can fall into more of that median range. So you got to be a bit more selective. Now, when it comes to the service variety, SMM Go, you can't really beat them. They got a great variety of services here, which is really adequate when you actually want to start scaling. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, stop trading based on guesswork. Introducing signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform focused on precision, not just random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clear entry, take profit, and stop loss levels, structured market analysis, and over 100 channels tailored very much to different trading styles. Most importantly, discipline and proper risk management always come first with SignalPeak. Still unsure? Well, guess what? Today, they are offering you a free 1-day trial. So you can go ahead and test the quality before making that commitment. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure, trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today for free. Now, let's get back to the video. Whereas God SMM has a bit more of a focus on high quality packages. Then when it comes to SMM Wiz, they're pretty cool as well. They've got a real wide selection. They've got a real wide selection of services, which is really good, but just so long as you've got the time to sit down and actually look through it. When it comes to the customer support, you can't really beat SMM Go. It's fast, efficient, and to the point, and very easily accessible via Telegram. As you can see here, you just send them a quick message and they'll get back very quickly. As for God SMM, they have pretty standard ticket support right here, as you can see, and it's okay. They may vary in terms of actually being able to get back to you though. And for SMM Wiz, actually, their support quality kind of varies. It's available through the WhatsApp, but I didn't always have the best experience with it so far, so it's just something to keep in mind. Alrighty, so what's the final verdict here? For long-term use, especially for businesses and resellers, SMM Go offers the best variety of speed, pricing, ease of use, and reliability. Alright, so let's just quickly go through a comparison summary. For the UI, aka user interface, SMM Go gets 5 stars, God SMM 4 stars, and SMM Wiz 3 stars. Then for price and value, SMM Go gets 5 stars, God SMM with 4 stars, and SMM Wiz also with 4 stars. For speed, SMM Go 5 stars, God SMM 4 stars, SMM Wiz 4 stars also. Then for speed, SMM Go 5 stars. Then for variety, SMM Go gets 4 stars, God SMM 4 stars, and SMM Wiz with 5 stars here. For support, gotta be SMM Go with the 5 stars, God SMM with 4 stars, and SMM Wiz with 3 stars. Alright folks, so if you did enjoy today's video comparing these different SMM Go panels in 2026, the best of them, then make sure you like this video, subscribe for more, and hit notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. And to find the links for today's products, particularly SMM Go, which is my go-to, that'll be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. Have a great day.